All right, welcome. So this is a Ninja Air 58 2020 unboxing. I've been wanting this mouse for a little while. Unfortunately, I missed the release on it, like everybody else does. And I didn't really start my mice collection till the early of this year, 2020. So as I've purchased a lot of mice, the last one I really wanted to try was this one. So yes, I had to pay resale for this thing, which is super unfortunate, but when you are like a collector, you have to do what you have to do. So, all right, let's get into it. Here's the box itself. Here's the details on the bottom. So, designed in California, assembled in China. This is the cherry blossom red. It's a very mediocre box, I would say. There's just a lot of, I don't know, flimsy cardboard or whatever this is. The art looks good, but it looks a little faded, so probably because it was in storage for a while. So let's get into it. Here's the seal of approval, assuming it's legitimate. I don't see anything that looks like it was ripped off and then put back on. So I want to be gentle, looking to see if it was double sealed. I don't see a double seal or anything like that. All right. Alrighty, so let's put this off to the side for 1 second. There's something else inside of here. Final mouse. Designed to be completely driverless, you can simply plug it in. Oh yeah, this is a very low effort, I guess, instruction manual, whatever. So this is the mouse. This is the cord. Obviously, it's a very standard packaging. It's kind of what Razer has done in the past. So very standard. I think Logitech does the same thing too. So let's open this up. Alrighty, let's remove this. And let's get a feel for this. Alrighty, so let's pull this out. This is brand new, untouched, sealed, I think. A little gunky there, but I don't know. I do not know. It looks brand new. Yeah, these feet have no scratches on them. Looks like some factory gunk. Yeah, every button works. Scroll wheel works. Yep, DPI button, side buttons. So let's get a sound clip for all that. Here goes the right mouse click, left mouse click, scroll wheel, push in, DPI, side buttons. Cord is okay, nothing special. What I don't like is the fact that this is from the casting and they didn't burr this down or sand this down a little bit, which is a little interesting. You can see it on the other side too, just a little bit, but this one's really pronounced. Overall, let's see how the shape feels. I don't want to put the mouse feet just on anything. This is a very nice size, I'm not gonna lie. This feels good. Overall, yeah, I like it. it feels amazing. It feels different than a lot of mice I've tried. So thank you for joining in. I'll be releasing some more content on this, and I am also bidding on a broken one that I'm going to attempt to fix on this channel, and hopefully y'all stay tuned for that. All right, thank you.